Whoa. Some stuff fell down.
Eli, what is that?
That was a good tear. Uh-oh. Well, we'll be.
Whoa! Did you glue that thing down?
Yeah. What do you think, buddy?